So after doing that, the next thing we do is to do a three-dimensional filleting. So we fillet, and in order to fillet, we get the fillet dialog here. That is you take the fillet under the modifier in the bodies. So you get this. And so what I have done here is when I lighten up all the edges that I want to fillet, because I want to apply the same filleting conditions and the same dimension of filleting. So I selected all the 16, 32 edges, 16 on each. The 32 edges that are supposed to be filleted are all selected here. So you can see all those edges. And once that is done, we will select everything at once and do the fillet together. And then after that, you get this kind of something. Everything is rounded up in this. So the next thing we do is to turn the bodies to components. And we will talk about that in the next hour. Why can't we just use the bodies as bodies? Why must you turn them to components? It will become obvious why you must turn them to components. You can select any of the bodies in the body list as we demonstrate here. And after right-click, the third in the drop-down list allows you to turn that into a component. So when you right-click a body, you can create component from bodies. So you can right-click what you want, and it becomes a component. And then you have to name that component, and then you will see you can add further bodies into the component, as we shall show in the video that will follow. It's also possible to select more than one body and make a single component out of their combination. It is for you to name your new component by double-clicking on the generated name, giving you an opportunity to type what you like. And add bodies to existing components. For instance, by the time you move from here to here, you will see that these ones that are colored the same are all now constituting one component, and the one that is colored differently from it is either still a body or it will be made a component different from them. So that's just all. The body, the colors, when you turn on the colors, they give you some cue as to how you are doing.